Hello friends, in this video I am going to start the chapter matrices. So I'll make the short videos covering all the topics of the chapter matrices. So in this video we will discuss about what is matrix and how to find the order of a matrix. So if you already know, you can escape this and you can go to next video. So let's start with the matrices. So what is matrix? Any rectangular arrangement of the numbers or functions is called a matrix. So let's understand it with an example. So here is an example 2 minus 1 6 8 4 5. So these horizontal lines are called rows and these vertical lines are called columns. So and these are called elements of the matrix. So here we can see there are 2 rows and 3 columns. So this is called the matrix, a rectangular arrangement of numbers. Now let's proceed to the order of the matrix. If a matrix has m rows and n columns, then the order of the matrix is written as m cross n and we call it as order m by n. The general m cross n matrix is A equal to this. So suppose a matrix having order m cross n will be of the form like this. So for first element, this will be first row and first column. For the second element, first row, because this is the row 1 and this is row 2. So in first row, all the first number will be 1 only. So 1, 2 and this is third column. So 1, 3 and this is suppose j column. So 1 j and the last is nth column. So this is 1 n. Similarly here it will come A21 second row. So first we will write number of rows. So A21 here A22 A23 A2j A2n. Like this, if ith row is there, then it will be AI1 AI second column, AI3 third column, Aij and Ain. And in the last, if order is m, so it will be mth row. So am1, am2, am3 and the last element will be amn. So like this we represent m cross n order matrix, where Aij denotes the element of ith row and jth column. The above matrix is usually denoted as A equal to Aij m cross n, where I belongs to 1 to m and j belongs to 1 to n. And ij should be natural number, means 1, 2, 3, 4, starting from 1 up to n or m. Okay, so let's solve some problem on this. Find order of the below matrices. So in first matrix we can see that there are 2 rows and 3 columns. So order will be 2. First we write the number of rows 2 and then 3, that is column. So order will be 2 into 3. If someone asks how many elements are there, so total elements are m cross n. So 2 3s are 6. So there are 6 elements. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's proceed to second. Here we can see there are 3 rows and 3 columns. So we can write 3 rows and 3 columns. Total elements are 9. Let's see some more examples. Here we can see only one column is there and rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 rows are there. So 5 cross 1. This is the order. And how many elements are there? Total 5. Here we can see that 4 columns are there. Only one row is there. So order will be 1. So order will be 1 cross 4. And let's see last one. So this is also matrix with only single element. So here only one column is there and one row is there. So order will be 1 cross 1. Let's proceed to the second example. Construct a 3 by 2 matrix whose elements are given by Aij equal to 2i minus j. So we know that generally we represent a matrix by A equal to Aij m cross n. M cross n is the order of the matrix. So here Aij is our 2i minus j and order is our 3 cross 2. So first let's write a general 3 by 2 order matrix. So here first element will be A11, then second element will be A12. Here only two columns are there. Now let's proceed to the second row. So second row first element will be 2 1, this will be 2 2, then third row 3 1 and A 3 2. This is the general form of a 3 by 2 matrix. Now we will replace each Aij with their values. So if we want to find the value of A11, here I is 1 and j is also 1. So we will put in this 2i minus j. So it will be 2i minus j is 1. So it will come out 1. So like this we will replace all the elements here. So A11 will be our 1. For A12 we will replace I by 1 and j by 2. So it will be 2 cross 1 minus j will be 2. So this is 0. So it will be 0 here. And similarly we will do with A21. So for A21 I is 2. So 2 2 is 4 minus 1. So this will be 3. For A22 2 2 is 4 minus 2, that is 2. For A31 3 2 is 6 minus 1, that will be 5. And for A32 it will be 2 into 3 minus 2, that is 4. So this is our matrix of 3 by 2 order whose elements are given by Aij equal to 2i minus j. Let's proceed to our next example. Number of all possible different order matrices using elements -2, 3, 5, 1. So let's draw the different order matrix possible with these elements. One matrix can be like this: -2, 3, 5, 1. Here order is 4 by 1, 4 rows and 1 column. And one matrix can be like this: -2, 3, 5, 1. Here order is 1 cross 4, 1 row and 4 columns. One matrix can be like this: -2, 3 and 5, 1. So order of this matrix is 2 by 2. Any other matrix is not possible here. Only 3 matrices are possible. So the answer is 3. So answer is 3. Using these 4 elements, there are only 3 possible different order matrices. If we don't want to draw all the matrices, we can solve it like this also, as number of elements are 4. So let's factorize 4. So we'll get 1 cross 2 cross 2. All possible orders are 1 cross 4, 4 cross 1 and 2 cross 2. Any other combination is not possible. So we can directly, like this also, we can say that there are 3 different order matrices are possible with 4 elements. Let's proceed for the next example. If a matrix has 12 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? So 12 elements means m cross n is 12. So what are the possible orders we can have? So let's break the 12. If we'll break it, we'll get 2 cross 2 cross 3 cross 1. So possible orders are 1 cross 2, 12 cross 1. Here row is 1, column is 12. Here row is 12 and column is 1. Also we can do 2 cross 6, 6 cross 2. Okay. We can do 3 cross 4, 4 cross 3 also. So there are 6 matrices possible with elements 12. Okay. I hope you understand this. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box, and in the next video we'll discuss the types of the matrices. Thanks for watching this video.